That was right after 9/11. Usually you get to hit a bunch of Liberty ports and go off to, to the different countries and do a lot of touristy stuff. Ours was right after 9/11, so we were on high alert. So we stayed on the ship for 3 months straight, no Liberty, and they gave us steel beach parties where they allowed us two alcoholic beverages, and lots of barbecues on the flight deck, basketball tournaments, dancing, just whatever you could get into, hit golf balls off the flight deck. So that was what they kind of offered in consolation of not being able to get off the boat. But and then I was deployed in Iraq